Hello, future millionaire. There are countless ways to use your phone to make money. If you need more money in your bank account, then it's time to put your phone to work. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss other incredible tips like this one. We all need a little extra cash every now and then, and one of the easiest ways to do that is by leveraging your smartphone. The phone you're holding in your hands right now can be one of two things: a waste of time or a money-making machine. The good news is there are a number of legit free apps that give you a fun way to make real money from the comfort of your own home right from your phone. Here's how to make money from your phone. 1. Take online surveys. Taking online surveys may seem like a waste of time. However, you can rest assured that it's perfectly legit. MyPoints, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Branded Surveys are some of the most well-known survey sites on the internet. Sign up for all four, and you can get paid extra cash to sit on your sofa and fill out surveys asking for your opinion on various items. Swagbucks also pays users for surfing the internet, watching movies, and playing games. Spend some time on the sites and you'll see just how lucrative and fun they can be. This is something anyone can do while watching Netflix or unwinding after a long day. You can also use these apps on your lunch break or when waiting for a bus or airplane. 2. Earn cash back. Ibotta is one of the best cash back apps that can provide money back on everyday purchases at your favorite stores, including groceries, gas, travel, and apparel. Simply search for offers on Ibotta and get cash back when you buy stuff. Ibotta is now offering a sign-up bonus for downloading the free app and completing certain tasks. You can use Ibotta on your smartphone or over a web browser. 3. Use an investment app. One of the best ways to make serious money with your phone is to invest with a brokerage app. Now, this won't get your money right now, but it will help set you up for a better financial future. These apps offer powerful investing tools that can provide users with a range of financial services, making investing easy and intuitive. Of course, investing is risky, and it pays to know what you're doing. 4. Play online games. Love playing mobile games? Who doesn't? Now you can get paid to play games through sites like MyPoints, a cashback program that incentivizes mobile game playing through cash rewards. This is the perfect thing to do when you're waiting in line at the grocery store or on the bus. Bust out your phone, play some games, and collect great rewards. What's not to like? 5. Sell your data. Nielsen is a global market research firm that helps its business partners better understand consumer trends. One way to make money through Nielsen is to use their computer and mobile panel service. Simply sign up and install the app on all your registered devices and then start using the internet like you normally would. The app will then work silently in the background, collecting your internet and mobile usage data and then reporting it back to Nielsen, which in turn gets shared with Nielsen's clients. You will immediately start earning after downloading and installing the app. 6. Sell old stuff. When was the last time you cleaned out your closet or basement? Chances are you have tons of unwanted electronics, old media, and toys sitting around collecting dust and taking up space. Download the Decluttr app and get some money for these unwanted objects. Decluttr will send you a box, pay for shipping, and give you cash payments. They'll either recycle and wipe your unwanted tech or turn around and sell your items on their online marketplace. 7. Sell old textbooks. There's nothing like the feeling at the end of a college semester knowing that you'll never have to read that textbook ever again and that you can potentially sell it online. One app that can make this happen is Bookscouter. Simply download the free app, search through more than 30 buyback vendors, and compare prices and seller feedback. Then, ship the item for free and the company will pay you. It's that easy. You can get good money for your textbooks. It's much better than letting them rot on your bookshelf or putting them into the trash. Check out Bookscouter and start profiting today. 8. Sell photos. Your phone most likely has a powerful camera built in that's capable of taking high-quality images. It's time to start making money from your photos using a site like Shutterstock. Open an account through Shutterstock and submit a series of photos for review. Once you get accepted, you can earn royalties anytime a site uses your work. Shutterstock is a great way to turn photography into a money-making opportunity. Participate in user testing. User testing pays you to leave a review of products that help brands understand how to make their products better. Fluency in English is a must as you'll be providing verbal feedback through a microphone. You can carry out tests on a computer or a mobile device. With each test taking about 20 minutes of your time, you can easily work from anywhere. The amount you earn depends on the test type. Your dashboard will always show you the amount you'll get paid for each test before you choose to participate. 10. Get paid for walking. Sweatcoin is a rewards app that pays you just for walking. Download the app, and it will pay you in digital currency every time you take 1,000 steps. Once you start racking up Sweatcoins, you can redeem them for currency in the app's online marketplace. This is available on both Apple and Android devices. 11. Utilize gig apps. Steady, TaskRabbit, and GigWalk are gig apps that can connect you to people in your community who need help with household tasks. Download the TaskRabbit app, create a profile, and start applying for jobs in your community. You can get paid to mend fences, paint walls, mow lawns, and perform things of that nature. Complete jobs and you'll get paid and reviewed through the app for a seamless experience. Searching for gig jobs is fun and can lead to steady work if you're willing to hustle. This is a great option for people who live in metropolitan areas where there are a lot of users. 12. Manage social media. Some companies will pay you to manage their social media accounts. If you're savvy with a phone, you can do this from any location, tweeting, updating Facebook, and responding to customers when they make inquiries. The cool part about this is that you can essentially get paid to be the voice of a company. Companies across all markets, especially small businesses, are looking for help with their social media profiles, and that's where people like you come into the equation. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.